Hello everyone. Our focus for this video is solving simultaneous equation by elimination. Right? What does elimination mean? Elimination means in this context to get rid of something. So here we have two different terms. We have an x and we have y. So for us to use the elimination method, we need to eliminate one of these. So it's either we're going to eliminate the x term or we're going to eliminate the y term. How do we eliminate y and our x term? Both coefficients of the x term has to be the same thing. So for example, here the coefficient of this x term is 5, coefficient of this x term is 2. So we need to find a way to make both coefficients the same thing to eliminate each other. Alright? Now let's just get into it. So this is equation 1, equation 2, right? Now here, if you notice, I want to eliminate y in this case. So I want to eliminate y. Now, if I want to eliminate y, this coefficient of this y term is minus 2. The coefficient of this y term is 1. So I need 2 here to make the coefficient the same thing so I can eliminate 1. Now, how am I going to get 2 here? If I multiply this equation by 2, then it seems as if I could get 2 here. So what you can do, you can take equation 1, which is this one, and you multiply all of this equation by 2. Let's put equation 1 out here. Equation 1. So I'm going to multiply all of this equation by 2. So if I multiply all of this equation by 2, 2 times 2x would give me 4x. 2 times positive y would give me plus 2y equal 2 times 3 equals 6. Now this is now equation 3. All I need to do is to write back equation 2 down here, which is 5x minus 2y equal 12. And now I'm going to call this equation 4. Now the two equations that I am going to focus on now is equation 3 and equation 4. How can I eliminate these y terms? If I add them together, it seems as if I would get 0. So draw a line and add them. So I am adding this equation to this equation. So you just add normally. So 4x plus 5, you can always put a bracket. So 4x plus 5x gives me 9x. Now plus 2y plus negative 2y gives me 0. So that's plus 0 y is equal to 6 plus 12 give me 18. Now the aim is to get 0 y, but I just write it for you to see. So all I left back with is just 9x is equal to 18. I need to divide both sides by 9 because I'm solving for x. So divide this side by 9, divide this side by 9. So 9 cancel out 9, left me back with x is equal to 18 divided by 9 is 2. So this is just 2. Right? Now that you know what x is, you need to just substitute it in any one of the equation. I'm going to use equation 2. So I'm going to say sub x equal 2 in equation 2, which is this one. So you write up equation 2, which is 5x minus 2y equal to 12. Now, write back 5, open bracket, what is x? X is 2, so this is 2, close bracket, minus 2y equal 12. Now 5 times 2 is 10, so this is 10 minus 2y is equal to 12. Now you can group the like terms because here you can group 12 and 10 on both sides, or other way other way to look at it, I want to get rid of the 10. So this is a positive 10, so I need to subtract 10 from both sides. If I subtract 10 from this side, I left back with minus 2y is equal to 12 minus 10. Minus 2y is equal to 12 minus 10 give me 2. Now I need to divide both sides by negative 2 to find what y is. So divide this side by negative 2, divide this side by negative 2. So negative 2 cancel out, the negative sign cancel out. So you're left back with y is equal to 2 divided by negative 2 give us negative 1. Now all you need to do is to just write one final statement to say, therefore, x equal 2 and y equal negative 1. And that's how the elimination method works. The second problem states that number 2, we have 3x plus y equal 2. And then we have 4x minus 2y equal to 6. Right? Alright. So I'm going to change it up a little bit. Now I want to eliminate one of these terms, either x or y. Now it is much easier to eliminate y since this already have 2 and this have 1, right? So all I need to do is to multiply this equation by 2. So you can go ahead and label the equation. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now I need a 2 here because this coefficient is 1. So all I need to do is to multiply all of this equation by 2. So I multiply all of this equation by 2. 2 times 3x would give me 6x plus 2 times y give me 2y equal 2 times 2 give me 4. And this is now equation 3. Now I already have 2 here. So all I need to do is to just write back equation 2, which is 4x minus 2y equal 6. And now this becomes equation 4. Now, how can I eliminate the y term here? If I add them again, then they become 0. So all you need to do, draw a line and put plus here. So 6x plus 4x give me 10x. 2y plus negative 2y give me 0y, so I don't have to write that. So I just put equal. 6 plus 4 plus 6 give me 10. That's it. All you need to do now is to divide both sides by 10. So divide this side by 10, divide this side by 10. 10 cancel out 10 here, so we're left back with x is equal to 10 divided by 10, that's just 1. Now you're going to say sub x equal 1 in any one of the equation, and I am going to use equation 1. Equation 1. Now what was equation 1? Equation 1 was 3x plus y equal 2. Right? So 3x, no, we have the value of x, so it's 3 open bracket. What's x? X is equal to 1 here. So this is 1 plus y equal 2. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus y equal 2. Need to get rid of this 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. If you subtract 3 from this side, you will end up with y equal 2 minus 3 and y equal 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1. And that's it. So you just need to write your summary sentence to say, therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to negative 1. And you can always do a quick check. We know that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -1. So I'm going to pick equation 2. So 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 times -1 gives us plus, so that's thus 4 plus 2, which equals 6. That's it. Third example that we have is 2x plus 3y equal 9, and this one says 3x minus y equal 8. Alright, now here it would be easy for me to just multiply equation 2 by 3, because this is equation 1, this is equation 2, to eliminate the y. But that's a little bit too easy, so let's change it up. I want to eliminate x this time. So here, on the x coefficient I have 3, and on the x coefficient for this term I have 2. How can I get these two coefficients to be the same? Well, I can multiply all of this equation by the coefficient of this x term, which is 3. So I can multiply all of this by 3. And I can multiply all of this equation here by the coefficient of this term, which is 2. Alright, so 3 times 2x will give me 6x plus 3 times 3 is 9y equal 3 times 9 is 27. And this is now equation 3. Now 2 times 3x gives me 6x minus 2 times minus y gives me minus 2y is equal to 2 times 8 gives me 16, which is equation 4. Now remember that we want to eliminate x. So what can I do here to get rid of this x? If I add them, I'm going to get 12. So subtract. Now you're going to draw a line. You put your subtraction sign. But because I am going to subtract, something interesting is going to happen. I need to put all of this second equation here in a bracket. What this means that this negative sign or minus sign is going to be distributed to each of the term inside of this bracket. Right? So it means that all of the sign inside of this bracket is going to change. So minus times a positive 6, that's going to, let me just write the bracket out here. That's going to be minus 6 here. This minus sign times this negative 2y, going to turn it to become plus 2y. And this minus sign times this positive 16, going to make it minus 16. Then what I can do is to erase all of this and this sign and erase this. And just subtract normally. So this is saying 6x minus 6x give me 0x. I don't need to write it. But let me just write it for the fun of it. 0x. Now this is saying 9y plus 2y gives me plus 11y. And this is now saying that 27 minus 16. So this is 7 minus 6 give you 1. And then 2 minus 1 give you 1. Right? So now all we left back with is 11y equal 11. Divide both sides by 11. So if you divide this side by 11, divide this side by 11. 11 cancel out 11. Y is equal to 1. Because 11 divided by 11 is just 1. So all you need to do now is to say, so y equal 1 in any one of the equation, right? You can choose anyone. I'm going to go to equation 1, which No, let's use equation 2. So equation 2 in equation 2. Now what was equation 2? Equation 2 is 3x minus y equal 8. 3, keep our 3, x minus y. But what is y? Y is 1. So we just put 1 there. Equal 8. So we need to get rid of this minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. So this is 3x is equal to 8 plus 1. Because if you add 1 to this side, you just left back with 3x. So 3x is equal to 9 here. Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 9. Divide both sides by 3 to solve for x. Divide both sides by 3. Divide this by 3. End up with x is equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So therefore, the final answer is, therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. And remember, you can always check your answer. Thank you for watching and do enjoy the rest of your day.